Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll gonna speak in English since this topic is not only for Filipinas, for those Pakistanis, boyfriend or fiance, husband, or any Pakistanis who wish to go to Philippines. Since we are just talking about Pakistanis who wants to go to the Philippines, then we will be just discussing about the visas that a Pakistani national can apply if they wish to go to Philippines. If you are a boyfriend or fiancé of a Filipina, then you can apply for a tourist or visit visa. These are the things that you have to do to avoid mistake and be scammed in applying for Philippine visa. Keep this in mind. To make sure that your application will be processed correctly, go directly to Philippine Embassy, Islamabad. The Google search type Philippine Embassy and here it shows, and then click visa, and here you can see all the kind of visa that you can apply according to what kind of application or visa do you want, and all the things that you have to do and the documents that you have to prepare, payments or expenses that you will be needing in applying for visa. It's up to you if what kind of visa do you want to apply, all written in there. For those who are married to a Filipina, it will be easier for them to apply for immigrant or family visa. As long as there is a legal documents proving that you are married to a Filipina. If you are still confused, if you want to really know what exactly the documents or necessary documents that you will be needing in applying for visa, or how much money do you really need to have for you to apply for the visa that you are qualified of. Although there are lots of agencies or information that we can get online or on Google search about documents needed, fees, and processing of the visa, it is always the best to ask from or get the information directly to our Philippine Embassy in Islamabad online, or go directly to the embassy because they are the main source of all this information for you to avoid being scammed. Here's the thing. Although it seems like applying for the Philippine visa is not really that hard, you have to consider these things for you to make sure that you will not be rejected for your visa application. First, you should have enough money to apply for the visa that you are applying for. Second, you don't have any criminal records. Third, there is no any circumstances that could stop or block you in having or being approved for Philippine visa. So if you think or you believe that there is none or there is no any reasons for you not to be approved for applying Philippine visa, then go ahead and apply for the Philippine visa, and for sure you will get it. No problem between Pakistan and Philippines when it comes to the issuance of the visa. This depends on the application of the applicant. As if you think that there is no problem, you are clear, and there is no reason for you to be rejected towards your application, then you can apply anytime as soon as you can. For my kababayan's question, if it is hard or difficult to apply for a Philippine visa from Pakistan to Philippines, it's actually depending on the Pakistani or the applicants. Doing the things that I have mentioned, we have to consider or we have to understand that we need to comply to those necessary things that they have to do in applying for the visa. And the first thing or the basic thing that they really need is money. Aside from money, there must be no other reasons or issues that can stop or block them in having the visa. So if your boyfriend or fiance or husband who is stuck in here in Pakistan, you have to know the reasons and understand their situation. Remember this, between you and him, only both of you understand or know exactly the reasons why and what's happening, why it is very difficult or he is finding hard to apply for the Philippine visa. I am reminding you again, there is no problem in applying visa to Philippines from Pakistan. If your fiance or husband is planning to apply for the visa, advise them to go directly to Philippine Embassy in Islamabad or apply online. And this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.